Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the viral diseases. We noticed the community and society, they are always scared of viral diseases. Even the medical professionals are afraid of viral diseases because some of the medical professionals fall as a victim in the past. For example, a laboratory technician, staff nurse or physician are affected. We noticed this. So why the people usually scared of viral diseases? First of all, number one, the virus invert the basic organs, means the pillars of the body. For example, immune system, respiratory system, central nervous system, liver and circulatory system. Those systems are very important for the normal body function. For example, in the case of AIDS, it affects the immune system, so-called the defense system of the body. In the case of rabies, the central nervous system is affected. In the case of hepatitis, the liver is targeted by the virus. In the case of influenza, the respiratory system got affected. So that is the reason. So viral diseases are hard to treat. Why viral diseases are difficult to treat? Actually, there is a debate. The virus are dead organism or living organism. Still the debate is going on, and we did not come to conclusion the virus are dead or living. Okay, the virus are dead RNA and DNA. You can find anywhere, everywhere. You can find in your nails, you can find your body, everywhere you can find millions of virus. In the air you can find virus. So such virus is actually in the form of dead matter. When it gets suitable environment, it flourish. Actually, when it get the host, it started flourishing. These viruses, when it enter inside the host, it might be a plants or animals or human being, they enter inside the human cells and use the human cell organelles for their development. The virus don't have their own cell. They are just RNA and DNA. The virus, they use the human cell organelles for their reproduction. So our body immune system cannot find the virus. The virus hide inside the human cell. The virus, they don't have their own cell wall. They don't have cell membrane. They don't have their own structure. They are just RNA and DNA. That is the reason it's hard to treat viral diseases. Viral diseases, actually, they are airborne diseases, or the diseases spread through the vectors. We can say host. Okay, you can see the viral diseases different in the Middle East, and the viral diseases are different in the Asia and Africa, because their geographical condition is different. There is rainfall in Asia and Africa, and there are waterlogging, and the infrastructure is different. The drainages are not covered, and there is possibilities for the mosquito productions. Okay, and there you will find a forest, thick forest in Asia and Africa, but in the Middle East it is completely different. There is no mosquito borne viral diseases, for example chikungunya and dengue. Here in the Middle East especially, you will find influenza, the major disease, viral diseases. Okay, so it is difficult to control viral diseases because the viral diseases spread through air. and vectors. Okay, suppose someone use mask, a special mask, he cannot escape from the viral disease. You can escape from the droplets. Someone is sneezing, you can escape from that droplets. That droplets may contain thousands of micro organism, virus. Okay, but you cannot escape from virus, because virus, most of the viral diseases are airborne diseases. You are breathing every day, and how many times you are breathing, how much air, your oxygen you are taking. So you cannot stop the virus enter into your body. For example, in the case of vector, when the vector bite, for example, cat bite, rabies virus enter into your blood circulation directly. When a dog bite, the rabies virus enter directly. When the mosquito bite, the virus, for example, dengue virus, enter into your system directly. And in the case of airborne diseases, the virus enter into your respiratory system and enter into the blood circulation directly. So, unlike bacteria and fungal diseases, it is not through just water and food. It is through a vector, bite, as well as by air. That is the reason to escape from the viral diseases is difficult. Okay. Salam. Hello, Rutra. How are you? Alhamdulillah. Okay, don't be afraid of viral diseases, because virus, if you see the evaluation of the organism in the earth, the evaluation starts from the single cellular organism like protozoa, porifera, nitaria, coelenterata, ascalminthus, flatculminthus, annelida, arthropoda. Then it comes to fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, then finally mammals. Okay, so mammals, we are in the top level in the ecosystem. Virus and bacteria in the lower level of the ecosystem. How the lower level organism can destroy the top level organism? No, in the normal ecosystem, the human being can control everything. The human being want to destroy any particular species, he can destroy any particular species. But the lower level virus and bacteria cannot dominate the human being in the normal ecosystem. Okay, this is the theory. But there is something called abnormal ecosystem that we will see later. So we can control the viral diseases by I am looking controlling the viral diseases in 3 angles. Number 1, personal hygiene. You keep your body clean, taking regular bath, wash your hands regularly. Okay, use hygienic cloth. Okay, like that you keep your personal hygiene. And the second point is quantity of the microbe enter. So when you are clean, when you are keeping your personal hygiene, you avoid the colonies forming in your body. Once you avoid colonies formation in your body, you can escape from viral diseases. Then second point, quantity. Okay, quantity means suppose say someone dropped a biological weapon, virus, biological weapon dropped in a particular region. Okay, say biological weapon war. In this case, the ecosystem is different. Abnormal ecosystem, the quantity of the microorganism, the quantity of virus in the environment is more. In the particular angle, you cannot escape from the virus. Okay, that is what called abnormal ecosystem. Number 3, your self-immune system. If your self-immune system is strong, if you are exposed to the various viral diseases in the past, you have acquired immunity in the body. Okay, you are taking the balanced diet, you have the protein, good protein in your body. Your body can fight against the viral disease. Your body will be having the good self-immunity. That's what I want to say. So 3 points: quantity of the microorganism, personal hygiene, and the third one is your own self-immune system. Okay, now how we can treat the viral diseases. Viral diseases cannot be treated with antibiotics. It's very important. What are antibiotics? Antibiotics are the drug substances derived from the microorganism used to kill the microorganism. This is called antibiotics. But antivirals are synthetic substances. It is synthesized and used only against the virus. Antibiotics cannot be used in the case of viral infection. Antibiotic can be used for the secondary infection. Someone have influenza, you give antibiotic to prevent the secondary infection, not the virus not used, the antivirals are used in the case of viral disease. Antibiotics are not used, okay, because antibiotics mechanism, it will prevent the formation of cell wall, prevent the formation of cell membrane, it inhibit the cell organelles, it destroys the cell organelles. But virus do not have cell wall, virus do not have cell membrane, virus do not have cell organelles. That is the problem in the case of treating viral diseases. Okay, so antivirals are used. Suppose someone is get infected by the viral disease. How you treat? You give the treatment for the cause and you give the treatment for the infection. So cause is the viral disease, so you give antiviral. Antivirals, most of the antivirals are not effective against viral diseases. Most of the viral diseases cannot be treated with antivirus. For example, influenza A, influenza B. Influenza A can be treated, influenza B cannot be treated. Hepatitis A, hepatitis B. Hepatitis A can be treated with the antiviral agents, but hepatitis B, there is no effective antiviral agents. That is important. So your self-immunity is very, very important, and self-hygiene and all the factor what I explained is very important. Then this is called symptoms and treatment towards the symptom and treatment towards the cause. Treatment towards the symptom. Say for influenza, you have pain in your throat, analgesic, and you have decongestion, congestion, you will give antihistaminic. Like that, if you have a respiratory problem, you will take the drug which will help for the breathing. Okay, like that you give treatment for the symptoms and you give treatment for the cause. Okay, and no need to worry about the viral diseases. Okay, eat well, sleep well, and do exercise that work well. That's all. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.